I'm always oh my god. I'm always here for smoky bacon crisps. They are amazing. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a what I eat in a day quarantine edition. I have actually been eating quite healthily recently. Which is probably just a phase, but yeah, I'm eating quite healthily recently, so I wanted to show you what I eat in a day at the moment, which does vary all the time, hence why I'm doing another video. Hopefully you'll be able to get some inspiration. So before we get into this video, please remember to like this video because it will really help me out. And also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I make more videos like this every single week, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. So for my breakfast today, I'm obviously going to start off with a coffee. I'm having this Nescafe Alta Rica, which is literally the bomb. There are literally no changes there with the coffee, as well as a little teaspoon of Morrison's set honey, but you can use any set honey. Honestly, this is a winning combination. I absolutely love this together. And at the moment I'm having whole milk because my boyfriend drinks whole milk. And as you see in a minute, I'm actually not having that much milk at the moment. So we're sharing a milk for a change. Whole milk isn't my preferred, but it tastes all right when it's in coffee. So it's all good. And then for breakfast, which is slightly different, I'm having some Yo Valley strawberry yogurt. This is so good. And it's really cheap as well. It's literally like £1 in Morrison's and it tastes so good. So I'm gonna have some of that, and I'm gonna have some Simply granola, which is just basically just oats, but granola. Just plain granola because it seems quite healthy, even though a lot of them in orange bracket, but it seems quite healthy because there's not chocolate in it or anything. So I'm eating that at the moment. My voice is gone, I'm so sorry. Then I'm gonna have some fruit as well. So I've got some raspberries and some strawberries today, which are my favourite fruits, so I can't wait to dig in with those. And on top, I'm just gonna have some almond, fruit and seed breakfast topper. This is the bomb. It's got cranberries, sunflower and pumpkin seeds and flaked almonds, which is amazing. It's quite high up as well in the brackets, but I really enjoy it. So it's good just to have some seeds in there, some like dried fruit as well, just to feel like you're being extra healthy as well. Let's go on and make this. So this is my finished breakfast. Oh, I can't wait, I'm so hungry. It's almost like 11 o'clock and I haven't eaten, which is my standard in quarantine. I'm gonna eat this now because it looks absolutely fantastic. Okay, so the time is now about 2 o'clock and I'm really starving, like I need some lunch. I'm gonna have a wrap. These are like one of the best wraps ever. Like, they're a mixture of white and wholemeal flour, so they're like slightly better for you, which I love. That these are honestly amazing. And I'm just gonna have a mix of different stuff in here. So I'm gonna have some spinach, I'm gonna put in some cherry tomatoes, lemon, garlic and herb chicken. This is literally amazing. Like, I love this so much. I've had this literally for a week in the wraps, and that it's so good. I love it so much. And then I'm gonna use the last of this muesli cucumber, which, yeah, needs eating. As you can tell, I've got some avocado there to use. I'm absolutely obsessed with avocado at the moment. Like, I love it so much. It just creates a really nice creamy base which to go with the chicken. I'm so excited for this wrap. This is literally, as I said, what I've been eating for like about a week or more, and yeah, it's the best thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this wrap and get eating. So this is my finished wrap. I've just put a little bit of mayo on the top because it'd be a bit boring just eating loads of veg. So I'll just put some mayo on the top just to give it a little bit of flavour. I'm very excited to eat this. I obviously need to wrap it up, but it doesn't look that cute when it's all wrapped up because it usually, all the filling usually just spills out because I've usually got way too much in there. I'm gonna go and eat this now. I've just finished my wrap and now I'm going to treat myself to some crisps, which probably isn't the most healthy thing, but always here for. I'm always here. Oh my god. I'm always here for smoky bacon crisps. They are amazing. So I'm going to have those as well. Also, before dinner, I'm just going to snack on these, which are literally the best thing ever. Like, they're so yummy. That isn't quite so good, but they are really good, honestly. They're literally life, and it's taking so much out of me to not actually eat them all. They are literally amazing. So the time is now 7 p.m. and I'm going to make some dinner. I'm going to make a recipe from this cookbook, which is like one of the best cookbooks going. I'm not personally vegetarian, but my boyfriend is, so it's quite good if you want to have a meal together. This is going to be the I'm going to be making, which is absolutely fantastic. Like, this is so simple as well. I'm going to be making this and I'm so excited. So to make this dinner, I'm just using half an aubergine. This looks a bit grim. It's been in the fridge for like overnight, but yeah, this is aubergine, obviously. So I'm having half of that, and I'm obviously gonna put some of this mozzarella on, which is just some Savers Morrison's mozzarella. You don't need anything too fancy. Obviously, I just got the cheap option because I'm a cheapskate. And then I'm obviously going to have some cherry tomatoes to put on the top, just like in the recipe. And I'm going to put some pine nuts on there as well because they're just amazing and like one of the best nuts ever. Excuse the pun. And then I'm just going to have a little simple side salad. Excuse the random shadows. It's getting quite dark in here now, so it's kind of quite difficult to film. I'm having this salad bag, and I'm just going to have a little bit of cucumber with it and some pepper. And I'm also just going to put some of this French dressing in, which is so good. Probably just a little bit more of the pine nuts as well on top. So the first thing you do is I'm just going to bake this in the oven for 20 minutes. And I'm just going to put some olive oil on. This is the one I use, but you can use any that you like. You just sprinkle it all over the aubergine, bake it for 20 minutes, and then chop up the mozzarella that you want just into slices, chop up the cherry tomatoes into slices as what it shows like on the picture. Then you put it back in the oven for 5 on 200 degrees, and it's the best thing ever. And it's just a very healthy alternative, a little lunch or a dinner without going too crazy, and it's just so easy to make and while being healthy at the same time. I'm gonna get on and make this, which I'm so excited about. I'm so hungry right now. So this is my finished dinner, which looks absolutely amazing. I think I put way too much cheese on there though. To be honest, I think this recipe is completed with a lot of cheese. It's fine. It's so good. So yeah, I'm so ready to dig into this. So I've just finished my dinner and it was so good. I loved it so much. It's just such a lovely quick and easy dinner, just like when you just can't be bothered to make anything and you just like throw it all together and it works. So yeah, it's such a great dinner to have. I'm just trying to be like super healthy where I can be at the moment. I just feel like it's really helping like my mental health and as well as my physical health. It just makes me feel a bit better. I don't think I'm going to be eating any more now, as I just obviously had my dinner and I'm really full. So I think I'm going to leave this video here for now. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed watching what I eat in a day in quarantine, because I know I really love watching these sorts of videos at the moment and just seeing what people are eating at the moment while we're in lockdown. And I just find it so useful, especially like if people are doing recipes as well. I just find it super helpful because that is what I'm doing at the moment. I'm just trying to eat as balanced as I can, obviously with a little bit of exception. Like I do treat myself to, you know, some sugar now and then. Like I don't think that's a crime. So I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna go. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please remember to give it a like if you loved it, because it will really help me out. And also maybe comment what you've been eating recently in quarantine, because I'd love to know down in the comments. Maybe if you have any like what I eat in a day videos as well, especially from quarantine, link them down below and I will watch them, because I'm obsessed with those sorts of videos at the moment, hence why I'm making my own. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I make more videos like this every single week, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on when I upload, and I'll see you next week. Bye.